Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to reset your earbuds SOUNDPEATS AIR Pro using application. You have to start by open SOUNDPEATS application. And of course you need to add your earbuds right here. If you don't know how, you can check a video at this channel. Let's open again. And when you add it, you will see the same menu as I have, this one. And right here at the right bottom we have a button what called reset, so we need to tap on it. And then click reset here. Then sure. And now we did it, so we need to firstly remove these earbuds from the phone and then add it again. Hide the application and go to the settings, Bluetooth or connected devices. Right here we have these earbuds, so click the information icon or settings icon near to it. Forget this device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, click pair new device, and after a factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so you just tap on it at the device list, and we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!